Hi guys, it's me again, and now we are going to do our activity, okay? All you need is a piece of paper, paint, and a hair dryer. Alright, it's pretty simple and fun. So let's start. Oh, before we start, make sure your hair dryer is in number 1, okay? And number 1 here too. Alright. Let's start. First, you are going to take our paint and drop on the paper. Alright, let's see if it's gonna work. Red and some green. Whoa, lot of paint. Now, we are going to turn on our hair dryer and do some movements like this. Alright? Are you guys ready? It's going to make some noise, so I'm sorry about that. Let's do it. Number 1. And here is my painting. Did you like? Yes or no? Let me see your paint, okay? Show me in our Padlet at our SAP. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you and see you next. Bye bye.